Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2A and 2B simulation training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training and exam by watching this video. If you want to do this training and exam from me, I will do this exam for you with A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our exam to solve step by step. Okay, first question is that select column C to D and then insert two column. Okay, select column C to D and then insert two column. In cell C11 type 13129 and then on the home tab in the editing group click fill handle and then click flash fill. Okay, we will select this. Okay, click on insert. You can see insert two column. So in cell C11 we will type 13129. 13129. Okay, and then home tab in the editing group click on fill button. Click on fill button, click on flash fill. Okay, in cell D11 type OAK. Okay, in cell D11 we will type OAK. So select cell D11 and then press Ctrl plus E. Select cell D11, press Ctrl plus C to fill value in the column. Okay, fill value in the column. Okay, delete column B. Simply select this column B and then delete this. Okay, so select column C on the home tab, click. Okay, select column C on the home tab, click cut and click cell H1 and then click paste. Okay, we will simply select column C, go to the home tab in the clipboard group, we will cut this column C and then we will click on cell H1 and then paste here. Control plus V for paste here. Delete column C from the sheet 1 worksheet. Click on column C, right click on this and then simply delete button. Right click on this, click on delete. Okay. Select column A to G in the cells group. Click format and then click auto fit column with. Go to the home tab in the cells group. Click on format button and click on auto fit column with. Okay. Click auto fit column with. Click auto fit column with. So merge and center the range A1 to H1. We will select this range and go to the home tab in the alignment group. Click on merge and center button. So apply the title cell style to the range A1 to H1. We will select this range. Go to the home tab in the style group. Click on cell style and then we will apply title cell style. So question is completed now. So the next is that click cell B4 on the formula tab. In the function library group, click AutoSum, type A11 to A39 and press enter. Simply click on cell B4 on the formula tab. In the function library group, click AutoSum. Okay, click on AutoSum button. Type A11 to A39 and paste. Okay, we will enter sum function. We will type A11 to A39 and press enter. A11 to 39 and simply we will press enter. Sorry, I have mistake this. A11 to A39. Okay, in the formula tab, click on auto sum button. Okay, range is A11 to A39 and we will press tab, press enter, Click cell B5 on the formula tab in the function library group. Click more function point to statistical. Click average, type D11 to D39 and click OK. So click on cell B5, go to the formula tab in the function library group. Click more function button. OK, and click on point to statistical. OK, and click average. So D11 to D39, number 1 D11 to D39, click on OK. Question is completed right now. So the next question is dash question number 4. Click cell B6 in the formula in the function library group. Click more function, display the list statistical function, scroll down and then click median. Okay, go to the formula tab in the function library group. First we will click on cell B6, go to the formula tab in the function library group, click on more function button. So click on statistical function and click on median function. Click on median function. Okay. Type D11 to D39 and click OK. D11 to D39 and click OK. This is so good. So moving on, next question is question number 5. In cell B7 insert a function that will display the lowest radial price for range D11 to D39. We will click on cell B7, insert a function that will display the lowest radial price. We will enter a minimum function in cell D11. Main function, where is lowest value, we will have to enter a minimum function D11 to D39. So we will press enter. In cell B8 insert the function that will display the highest. We will enter a max function into the range D11 to D39. We will press enter. Question is completed right now. Okay, select the range A4 to B8 and then drag to the D4 to E8. Select this range A4 to B8 and then drag it to D4 to E8. Okay, we will simply select this range A4 to B8 and then we will drag it to the range D4 to E8. Okay, drag this range. Okay, select the range C4 to E8, click right click the selection. Okay, select the range A4 to B8 first and drag it to the range D4 to E8. Okay, select column D to E and then auto fit the selected column. We will go to the home tab in the formats tab. In the cells group, click on format button and click on auto fit column width. We will select this columns range, go to the cells group, click on format button, click on auto fit column width. So select the range D4 to E8 and then on the home tab in the styles group, click cell style and apply 20% as cell 1 style. Okay, simply we will select this range, go to the home tab in the cells in the style group, click on cell style button and we will apply 20% as one cell style. 20% as one cell style. Okay, you can see I have done this question. I have done 7 questions in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do this exam from me, I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. I will provide you A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on Matilda Pearson, Engagement Tap, MC Grahil, Seminar, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.